thank you for watching my video today. And if you're new to GreenMangoes, please help us subscribe to the channel. For today, I'll be making a very fun video, yet kind of weird. We'll be frying egg in the sun. And you heard me right, frying egg in the sun without the stove. We live in Las Vegas and today is the hottest day of the year, where it's 115 degrees Fahrenheit outside. So what I'll be doing is attempt to fry eggs without any heat. So for that we need a spatula, olive oil, 1 egg, and the skillet with olive oil where I've been priming and heating up in the sun for 1 hour. So let's stop talking and get to it, shall we? What we got here is a skillet with olive oil. We've been living out here for an hour, and I think it should be hot enough. I'm gonna crack egg. Ooh. Okay. Let's see if this fry after like maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. We'll see. I'll be back. Five minutes has passed and the egg is starting to cook. How crazy is this?
Why?
This is crazy.
Cool.
I know. How cool is it?
Very cool.
Very cool. So we're gonna eat egg, huh?
I think the club is cool.
Wow. After 20 minutes, the egg is cooking a little bit more, but taking a little while, so be patient, and eventually we're gonna be able to eat this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the moment has come, and after 1 hour, I got the egg here. I mean, sunny side up egg. I'm gonna scoop this.
This is so cool. Oh my god.
Check that out. Okay, follow me and we'll try this together. Okay, here it comes. I mean, it's been cooking outside, so whatever bugs and flies that flies into this, it's all game. So I don't care. I'm gonna eat Vegas eggs. Some salt, some black pepper, salt again, black pepper, and a lot more salt. Okay, ready? Ooh, the top is kind of crunchy because it's cooking from the top. So, you know what? Look at this. Cooking egg in the sun in Las Vegas. 3, 2, 1.
So good. And what does it taste like?
Candy. It tastes like candy. The yolk is so chewy
Yes.
because it's been cooking from the top in. So if I get sick, well, I won't get sick, but
You will get sick soon.
go to Vegas, make eggs in the sun. Join me. So delicious. Thank you for watching and hit the subscribe button. See you next time. So good. I'm done. You can stop the video now.